Hey everybody, welcome to the YouTube channel of IoTverse Club. Today we are going to work on automated opening and closing of reservoir gate. So let's get started. First of all, we should know why this project is important. So as we know, the opening and closing of dams gate are manually operated in India. It causes a lot of issues like flood or sometimes drought. So here's the smart solution for this problem. The solution will use different sensors through which we can analyze real-time information. So let's proceed toward the solution and so the first sensor is DHT11. The DHT11 is a low-cost digital temperature and humidity sensor. It measures ambient temperature and relative humidity, providing these values through a digital signal. Next is soil moisture sensor. This is a device used to measure the moisture content in the soil. It helps to determine the water level present in the soil, aiding the irrigation decision for plants. BMP 180. BMP 180 is a sensor that measures barometric pressure and temperature. It provides accurate pressure and temperature reading commonly used in weather forecasting, altitude measure, and various applications requiring atmospheric pressure data. Next is rain sensor. A rain sensor detects the pressure or intensity of rainfall. It can trigger actions such as activating automated irrigation system, alerting the weather monitoring system, or controlling mechanism to close windows in a case of rain. All the sensors are connected to Arduino, through which we can gather all the information from the sensors, and the servo motor is also connected, which use the gathered information to operate the gates. Let's simulate our project. First of all, we start the simulation. Here the simulation is started. Now, if we can change the value of our DHT11 sensor like this, and here the servo motor can move. Let's try again. Here the servo motor can move. You can observe it clearly. Now proceed to the code which is used for this simulation. First of all, we define the pins for the sensors. Like for DHT11, we can fix the pin 2. Similarly for rain sensor, soil moisture sensor, servo pin. Next, we can fix the threshold for the sensors. Now write the conditions for the sensors. First of all, we define DHT11. Next is BMP 180, which can measure the pressure, and then rain sensor and soil sensor. Now, for opening of gate and closing of gate, we can fix the conditions, and then servo motors start moving according to conditions. So, the final conclusion of the project is that using real time weather monitoring and the soil moisture sensor, we can estimate the water content in the soil. Using the data from these sensors, servo motor move accordingly. So, this is the project. I hope you like it. Thank you so much. And the most important thing, please like, share, and subscribe this video.